Guys, how you guys doing? This is a top that was trending over the internet, so I wanted to do my own version. If you guys know that I'll take something and I'll see it and I'll do a little twist. Their arms was a little bit shorter and I did a skirt with mine. So guys, if you guys are interested in making this, if you guys know Misha from Misha TV, guys, go on Misha page, rest in peace Misha, love you, miss you, and put in how to make a peplum top. She will show you how to make this bottom, how to make a pencil skirt, and also how to make the puff sleeves. So guys, you guys can go on her page and she will give you a full tutorial on all this. Now guys, you will watch it individually, as far as the puff sleeves and the peplum and then the pencil skirt. So guys, when you're making the bias, this is the pieces that I used to make this top. So this is going to be the back on the fold and your measurements, guys, and this is going to be the front of the top. You guys see that? Just like that, the front of the top. And then I took two wide pieces, long, that ties around. And then I did the puff sleeves. And then I did the pencil skirt off of my measurements, guys. But yes, if you guys want to make this, guys, Misha TV will help you guys to make that for those of you who wants to make this. And I got on my ring light. It's not doing justice. This is a beautiful, pretty fuchsia color. Move. Say excuse me. Okay. Now I'm going to be finished in 1 minute, baby. So, if you guys see, there you go, guys. So, try it out. I love this top. Okay, now I'm going to be finished. 1 second. I'm going to get out of your way. So, I have to get out of the way because Mara is demanding me to get out of the TV way. You going to come say hi? Yes. Say hello, guys. Hi, guys. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Yes. You done? No. Are you done? No. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. So thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See my sidekick back there? Say hi, Mara. Hi. Yes, she's giving me the flux. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, here are a couple of pictures of the finished project, the screenshot. So, guys, yes, if you want to make this, remember, guys, go over to Misha TV, and she would teach you guys how to make a peplum. So, a peplum is nothing but a circle cut out, and then you put your waistline. So, guys, thank you guys so much. Go to Misha TV. Bye.